Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up videos to Google Photos step by step. If you want to keep your important videos safe in the cloud and access them from any device, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Now go to Photos Google.com and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, log in with your Gmail email address and password. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, look at the top right corner and click the Upload button. From the drop-down menu, select Computer. This will open File Explorer on your Windows computer. Now browse to the folder where your videos are saved. This could be your videos folder, desktop, downloads, or any other location. Select the video or videos that you want to upload. You can choose a single video or hold the Control key to select multiple videos at the same time. After selecting your files, click Open. Google Photos will immediately begin uploading your videos. You can see the upload progress in the corner of the screen. If your videos are large, the upload may take a little longer, depending on your internet speed. Please wait until the upload is completely finished. Do not close the browser while the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, return to your Google Photos library. You'll now see your uploaded videos, along with your other photos and videos. Click on any uploaded video to open it. Press the play button to make sure the video was uploaded successfully and is working properly. One of the best features of Google Photos is that your videos are stored securely in your Google account. This means you can watch them anytime from your phone, tablet, or another computer by simply signing in with the same Google account. You can also organize your videos into albums, search for them later, and share them with friends or family whenever you want. Backing up your videos is a great way to protect your important memories. Even if your computer is damaged or you accidentally delete a file, your backed up videos will still be available in Google Photos. And that's how you can easily back up videos to Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.